I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude, but I see.
Yes, sir. What you running in here?
Too much. Got 6 level 6s. Got 2 Crescendo 17Ks. Got 320 Brand X. There's a lot going on.
Yeah, there's a lot going on. Yeah,
Small package.
Yeah. I feel that heat coming out from you. You been playing today, ain't you?
Oh yes, sir.
Yes, yeah.
Knocked a bunch of dust out of this build. You know, when you're cleaning.
Yes, sir. Who built it? Tell them about who built it, man.
I said we're walking off the gate and we're like, calling us. I got here real quick.
So this is a Benpimpin JC Custom Smoke Woodworks collaboration, pretty much. I've had a lot of assistance, a lot of help. Had Mater's Garage do all of my paint and body on the box. He did an excellent job. Great guy, hit him up. Kensett, Arkansas, Mater's Garage, JC Custom.
Everybody out of Arkansas down there. Yeah. These Arkansas base heads, man. Y'all know I got to see him. I went to see him on the last show I went to. And I seen him again. They got this thing done quick. I don't know if it'll be like that for yours, but they can definitely get it looking good. Yeah, bro. You gonna be here tomorrow? I'll see you around, bro. I appreciate it, man.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.